Alumni evenings, it's something we've been running since the inception of the course. Really a chance for former students, past and present, from the very beginning of the course back in 2014 up to the recent course, to come and jump in, get together, network with like-minded individuals over a drink. It's always a nice relaxed atmosphere, have a good evening, and you never know, an opportunity might come from that.
SUMMIS Global are really proud to be sponsoring the event today, and we love what you guys do. It's really good exposure for us to be here, meeting lots of old faces, reconnecting with them, and meeting lots of new people as well who can hopefully use our services in the future.
Most of the evenings have been exclusive venues across London, listening to world-class speakers. We've had the likes of Sir Ranulph Fiennes and also this evening Eddie the Eagle.
I've had a lovely time tonight at the Alumni. They're a lovely bunch, they were very responsive, and yeah, it was lovely. And it's lovely to do it in a lovely venue as well, like a cinema, because the sound is really, really good and to show the video clips. So yeah, I've had a great evening.
Fascinating night. I think one of the really interesting things about someone like Eddie is when you think you know someone's story, and someone's story who is quite popularly known, and then to find out all the stuff that goes into the bits that the public find out. I think that was really interesting.
The guest speaker is always kind of that add-on, that extra bit further that the course actually delivers all the time as well.
I'm James Stott, I'm the Magic Marine. I've been coming to the alumni events for several years now, got involved with Pete and Dunks, providing magic at their end of course dinners, and then their networking events, these alumni where we have a speaker, a few drinks and meeting everyone. I'm here to provide the entertainment.
As usual, as most alumni, there's always a few beers involved as well. There's a chance to network with like-minded individuals and have a good time, and hopefully get opportunities from that. The amount of people that have got and gained employment and job opportunities just from meeting someone at the event, networking with like-minded people. And so it might not happen on the night, but 6 months later, they've met that person, comes around, an opportunity comes their way.